So it's time to get our hands dirty. But before jumping into code, let me show you what you'll be building. This is a one-to-one video conference app, and the first thing we will do is enter a room name and then click go. I have two browsers open just so you can see how these can communicate. This one is Firefox and this one is Google Chrome. So the first thing we would do is enter a room name and then click on go. We're going to allow the access to the media devices. And then we're going to do the same in the other browser. We're also going to accept the permissions. And there you have it. Now each client is sending and receiving the audio and video streams. When you're ready, move to the next lesson.